As the projectile is thrown with some initial velocity, we divide into two components, Vx and Vy. When it reaches the maximum height, it has the only horizontal component. It reaches maximum height at time t. Its vertical velocity component is 0. When it reaches the final position, its total time is equal to 2 time of t. When its projectile from the initial position is thrown, its time is 0. Now we discuss its definition. What is the time of flight? The time of flight of a projectile is defined as the sum of time taken by the object to go up to a certain height and the time taken to fall back to the surface where it was thrown. Now we prove the total time of flight. We know the equation of motion, that is equal to Vf is equal to Vi plus A T. If we discuss the final velocity, this is the final velocity and this is the initial velocity. So this is the initial velocity, So final velocity, that is the 0. Initial velocity, that is equal to Vy. Acceleration due to gravity, that is moved to opposite to the gravity, so is equal to minus g t. So here we get that t is equal to Vy over g and Vy is equal to Vi sine theta over g. Now we discuss the total time of flight, that is equal to total time is equal to 2 time of t. So here total time is equal to 2 Vi sine theta over g. That is the total time of the flight. Now we discuss the range. What is range? The horizontal distance covered from the point of projection to the point of impact is called the range of projectile. So here we write the definition. The horizontal distance from the point of projection to point of impact is called range of projectile. We know the second equation of motion, V xt plus half axt square. We take the horizontal component because we calculate the range, that is the horizontal motion. So here total distance, that is equal to r, horizontal velocity component, that is equal to v cos theta, time of flight, that is equal to 2v sine theta over g plus half horizontal component, that the acceleration is 0 because its velocity component is constant. So range is equal to v square 2 sine theta cos theta over g, and r is equal to v square sine 2 theta over g. That is the range of the projectile.